What's going on, guys? Just arriving at the airport. Another one of these mornings, one of these 6 a.m. flights. We got to get up, heading out. This morning we're heading out to Scottsdale, Arizona. Looking to have an amazing time. Getting out there, get a chance to meet Debbie Allen and the crew on the training at the highly paid experts workshop, which should be really amazing, by the way. You know, sometimes I ask myself, why do I like these 6 a.m. flights? And the main reason why is I get to get out early, I get to my destination, and more importantly, I get the rest of the day to myself. So we're going in here, catch up with Southwest, have a nice flight, and I'll be checking in with you guys later. I'll make sure I take you behind the scenes so y'all can see everything going on in the air. I have my glasses on, because I don't like to wear my contacts early in the morning. Anyway, I'm about to head on in, guys, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Talk to you.